like I don't like this.
This pen?
I don't like that. Are you taking a video? Why?
Well,
Why? I think you should go up higher. Like this?
it's fucking stupid.
Oh yeah, you're right. Go down.
But like really low.
She had that one by like her ear.
I know.
Just how about like, no, let me see. Just how about like,
Well, I like this.
wait. What? Am I gonna do a really far over part? Oh no, what you're doing, girl? I just scratched the scissors on the wall. What a beautiful mess I made. Dark brown roots. Brown. Why are you taking a video? Okay, now let's check it. Let's check it. Maybe you could bobby pin it back with this.
Ow!
Oh, that's nice.
It's gonna be curly too. That's like in my ear. You just spit on my shoulder.
I got fuzzy.
How should we do this?
I have a fat face.
I guess maybe I should curl my hair and then we'll figure it out.
Oh yeah.
Should I do like a really...
I like your hair like that. Yeah. No. Like that. No, flip it. Just like that. Not with your bangs like... No!
Well, I can't see!
Yes, you can. Don't lie. Don't lie to yourself like that. No, you had it. Just cut.
Stop. Alright, should I,
You must do this up.
Oh, sorry. What?
Where's that thing you made?
Perfect.
By the way, y'all
Perfect.
see this?
That is so cute.
Perfect.
Legit.
That's perfect.
That's perfect.
Yeah, show the camera.
Hmm?
Show the camera. It's perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
Super
duper.
Contact lenses.
Okay.
Unless you're one ugly mother. You're born ugly like me. There's steps you could take
I don't like
to
it.
making yourself into a human optical illusion. Step 1.
This is dumb.
Take your face. I like how you had it at first.
Yeah, well.
It should look better curl, right?
Yeah, this is too legit.
Way too curl. Look at how long
Is that
it-
why you read it?
Watch my tongue, please. Watch.
Is that why you read it right there?
Watch. Watch my tongue. Watch my tongue. Watch my tongue.
Look at your guts, too.
Ew, my tongue is disgusting. Trim it all. Perfect.
Perfect.
Super duper. Super duper.
Is this pretty legit?
To quit. I think I'll put on go away. I'm scared.
You should make me some too. Can we make new noodles?
Yes.
It's way too much work. Are you gonna clean my kitchen?
I'll make a new. Do you
Maybe if I
smell?
just put some gel on. Should I do it like this? So it's like.
Hello, darling. Just have a little one eye.
Hey. Okay. In all seriousness.
No.
I love how you can, my dark roots are really accentuated in this camera. Give me that. It looks better on you.
Stop making noise.
Say hi to the camera. You have to put your face in there. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Wave. Who's that on the poster? Who's that? Who's that?
That's SpongeBob.
SpongeBob what?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh, Reagan, can you shake your butt? Shake your butt. Show them how you shake your butt. No, get off. Turn around. Shake your butt. Ow, your computer just broke my finger. How did we... Why are you taking a video? I need to go take a shower. I need to figure out how I'm going to do this to my hair.
Ryan, you're so cute.
What? Just your nose.
What you what? Carly, I told you to quit. I need to take a shower. I'm not legit enough. I have
Stop
to.
making noise.
You tell me.
No, you.
No, you. No, you.
Dun, 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 dun.
What about like this?
That's cute. Carly, you'll figure it out. It's it'll be okay. I need to take my car keys and go. Yeah. And I'm gonna go to see pizza. Hold on, Lizzie. Let me see. Just let me see. Just let me see.
No.
Megan, no fighting over scissors. Let me see them. Stop. Oh, it's not nice. Let me do this. No.
I'm really
move your-
scared.
Move your hand.
I'm scared too.
I'll slit your neck.
No.
Stop, you almost got my finger off.
Damn it.
I need to take a shower.
Get your stinky ass.
No.
I
No.
need to take a shower though.
Alright.
No.
That's so cute. Like my double chin. You like my double chin. Tell me that.
Then. Then.
You like my like 18?
Ah! Alright, I'm closing this.
Good idea.
Dun,